Hi guys, clam meat with chili paste and sweet basil leaves. Now in Thailand you normally see this dish made with the shells on, but I was lucky enough to go into the supermarket and there was a tray of clam meat, so I thought why not. Now sweet basil leaves are more readily available around the world, so this dish is quite easy to make. Now there are only a few ingredients to make this dish, and it is absolutely flavor bursting. It really is delicious. So what we need to do, we need to take the leaves off our sweet basil, and then we just want a few chilies and a little bit of garlic. Now you can use as many chilies as you like, but this dish is not very spicy, but it is very, very tasty with only a few ingredients, and it is very quick to make. So in a mortar then, grind up with a pestle our chili and our garlic. Now we only want a rough paste. We're not trying to grind this fine, guys, and here in Thailand you will see bits of garlic skin in your meals. You know, it's so fiddly and fine that you will often find bits of garlic skin in your various meals that you have in Thailand. Now as you can see, it is a fairly rough paste. We do not want to grind this to a smooth paste. What we need to do now is put a pan on, a couple of tablespoons of oil as usual, low to medium heat, and then we want to go in with our garlic and chili. Now what we need to do is we need to cook the garlic and chili with a little bit of an aroma, and we do not want to burn it in any way. So just moderate the heat, watch how hot it is, and just cook it nice and gently, quickly, as a quick stir fry, giving off an aroma. And then we want to go straight in with our clams. We want to actually get that flavor onto our clams. So in with the clam meat, give it a gentle stir around. Now the thing is with clam meat, it is quite robust, so it is not going to break up easily in the pan. So give it a nice stir around, and that should be taking on some of that garlic and chili flavors. And then we want to go in with a tablespoon of oyster sauce, one tablespoon of soy sauce, and then we want to have 1 teaspoon of bean paste. Now you have to be really careful with the bean paste because the bean paste is really, really salty. So obviously with the oyster sauce, soy sauce and bean paste, that is our salt level in our dish. Give it a stir around. Just make sure everything's incorporated all over our clam meat. And then what we need to do is go in with our chili paste. So about a tablespoon of chili paste. Give it a stir around. And then what we're going to find is that this is quite a dry stir fry. So we do add a 1/4 cup of water to loosen it up. Now we don't want to burn our stir fry obviously, and the chili paste will stick to the bottom of the pan. So in with a 1/4 cup of water, loosen everything up, and that's going to be the basis of our sauce. Now this is a very, very, very simple dish to make, but the flavors are absolutely amazing. So just let it cook for a minute or so to take on the flavors and cook through the clams. And then we want to go in with our sugar to give it balance out our saltiness for some sweetness. Give it a stir around, mix it all through, make sure everything's incorporated. And then we have to do the usual taste and adjust. So obviously if it's too salty, add a bit more sugar, but if it's okay, straight in with the basil leaves. And then what you want to do is a quick stir through and then turn off the heat immediately. The residual heat inside this pan will actually wilt down the basil leaves. So we do not need to stir fry for any length of time. And that's it, guys. So simple, very quick, fantastic meal, bursting with flavors. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll catch you next time.